And guys, Encased Bird 39.98. We're full. Good luck. Dice rolls 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 ears, 7-ear Chargers up top. The Brownies at the bottom. 7 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 ears, 7-ear Joe up top. Josh Cox at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted. There's your squads. Encased Sterling Bird. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Again, just 3 left in the Bowman Chrome U2 boxer. Good luck on Encased. Here we go. Empty box. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Thick pack, too. See what we got. That pack did not want to open. Whew. Real thick card at the back. Hopefully that's a shield. Starting off, Davis Mills on the base. And I think that last card's going to be nasty. Don't quote me on that, but only when it's a super thick card on the back, it's probably pretty nice. Jamison Williams, that's sick. 21 out of 25 Future Wave for the Detroit Lions. And Chris Bowen, there you go, Chris. Nice J-Mo to 25. Next up, Roger Staubach. 84 out of 99 Encore Collection for the Dallas Cowboys and Cody Basinger. There you go, Cody, on the board. Roger Staubach to 99. We got Damian Pierce. What I tell you, 101, Damian Pierce, RPA. Sadly, we got a little ding corner up there at the top. Little ding corner right out of the box. But still, Damian Pierce, 1 of 1, Nike swoosh, NFL shield. Let me grab a loader. Who's got those Houston Texans? Nate Smith. There you go, Nate. Aren't you glad you didn't leave, Nate? Again, you said you were done for the night. Not today, sir. Not today, because you hit a banger. Good grief. I knew it was going to be big. Whenever there's a thicker card on the back, I was thinking shield. I was right. And we touch it up. Damian Pierce, 1 of 1. Nike swoosh. NFL shield going to Nate. On card, too. Congratulations, Nate Smith. That is disgusting. Last card of the break. We still got the Encased. For the Falcons to 99. How about Drake London? 42 out of 99. Falcons and Tom Haggerty. What am I doing? That goes behind the Encased. Recap. Roger Staubach. J-Mo to 25. Davis Mills. Drake London to 99. And Damian Pierce, 1 of 1. NFL shield. Rookie dual swatch signatures. Hell of a hit there for Nate. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.